resources. Okay, we're gonna open it. First pack. Let me see it first. Oh, it feels like Diddy Kong. Oh, I ripped it. Let's see what's in it. Oh, good feeling. This is red. Oh, Diddy Man! Got a Diddy Kong. Whoa, that's cool. Oh, there's a lot of pieces for him. I thought the tail would be connected. Here's Diddy Kong. Oh, sorry, Diddy Man. His pants, or his legs. And then the tail. It connects the tail very weird, but... yeah, and it falls easily. But at least connects me to Diddy Kong. Okay, there we go. He's small. I thought he would be bigger. Okay, anyways, he's opened. Now, second mystery pack. I'm pretty sure it'll be a toad. It feels like toad. Okay. It's Toad. Yay! I had a Toad, like, I was supposed to record him, but I lost it, sadly. I got another Toad. His pants are so small that you can barely see them. He's really easy to lose because he's so small. But anyways, we got Toad. Oh, and his legs are confusing to put. It looks like they're supposed to be backwards. Anyways, we got Toad and Diddy Kong. Let's make them stand. And he's right here. Diddy Kong's very clumsy. Diddy, man, don't be clumsy. Okay. Okay, fine. Just leave him like that. Anyways, goodbye.